Welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the board, we are to evaluate 49 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now, looking at this, we can rewrite this as 49 square plus 125 having a cube here. So, square root of 49 is 7. 7 plus, the cube root of 125 is 5. How? A number that you will multiply, itself 3 times, and it will give you a particular number. So that number is 5. 5 times 5 times 5 will give you 125. So here is 5. Remember that there is square here. So let us square it. So 7 plus 5 is equal to what? Is equal to 12. So now the square of 12 is equal to 144. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Do well to follow the page, Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Do well to inform your friends all over the world. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.